What is up, guys? It's Greta and I am back. My face is back. I know I've been doing a lot of reading through the cosmetology book, which I'm going to continue doing. But today I'm doing something fun. I'm doing a Halloween get ready with me, and we are doing Cruella de Vil. So I am totally winging this. I've just got all this makeup and stuff kind of right here in front of me. And I've got a fun wig, and I'm super excited to put this all together. So the inspiration for this specific one is from the new Cruella movie that Disney Plus put out with Emma Stone. Now she, I think, did an incredible job with that character. It was so fun. My fiance even said it was like his favorite live action Disney movie they've done so far, which is really, really cool. So I'm doing Cruella de Vil's look. I'm not doing like a specific one because I wanted this to be more like an affordable look to do. So I'm using mostly makeup I have, except for I did buy a red lipstick because I really don't own any lipstick. I don't like wearing stuff on my lips very often. So I did purchase that. And because it's a Halloween costume, I just went with Wet n Wild, which is like $1.99 at Target. So that was pretty cheap. And then I did get like $5 lashes. I don't know if I'll use them. I will definitely attempt to use them, but I've actually never put on fake lashes. So we'll see how that goes. And then of course I've got a wig. And so basically my outfit you'll see later, but I just layered black on black on black. She wears a lot of black. Obviously don't have all of that kind of like avant-garde kind of clothes she has. So I've got this blazer that kind of has like a leopard print texture to it. I just have like this mock neck turtleneck, black shoes, black jeans, stuff like that. I did also buy black and red gloves. So because those are like her colors, I'm not really sure. Maybe I'll do like the pop of red underneath, or I'll just stick with like the black ones. So we shall see. So what I think we'll do is we'll just begin with the makeup because that is probably going to take up the most time. So let us begin. Now I will start with, I'm not gonna do like a full face of makeup. I'm just mostly gonna focus on the eyes and lips. So I'm gonna start with the Urban Decay's eyeshadow primer. We're gonna put that all over the lid. She does some pretty heavy eye makeup in the movie, so we'll attempt to do something similar. So I do know when doing makeup, you layer the colors. You're not just gonna go straight in with black. So I've got this Avon palette. It's whatever, just has some more neutral colors and like grays and blacks and that kind of stuff. So I'm going to use that, and I'm gonna use those great sponge applicator things because I've got a lot of these and don't really want to dirty all my brushes with colors I don't normally use. So I will begin with a neutral base, this one. I really feel like I should use tape to get like a winged kind of look. She definitely does that. All right, that's fine. Moving on, darker color. Let's do like the darker silver gray or brown gray here. This is a new applicator sponge. So let's do like here. I'm gonna go back to that first color we used, this one, and bring it more in this front corner there. I think what's fun is because it's so artistic, like you can do whatever you want. But what's nice too is like it's Halloween. It really doesn't matter if it's spot on or not. You're just doing your own interpretation of a certain like design and everything, which is a lot of fun. So you just play with it and enjoy. Okay, so I'm going in with this silver. I don't know what I'm gonna do. I think I'm gonna put it in the corner, see how that looks. It's not quite as shiny as I thought. It's kind of dull. I really stink at like smoky eyes and stuff, so. I mean, I guess I'll just go in with like a darker brown. This is a CoverGirl. I've had it forever. It's probably totally bad and expired, but it's what I'm gonna use. Let's do a little bit more like black. Okay, so I think what I'll do now is grab like a blending brush and just blend it a ton and see what happens. Start up here where it's lighter. Work my way down into the darker corners. My arm's already starting to cramp, so that's fun. Main thing is I don't want any like harsh lines, so blend, blend, blend. It's coming along. Okay, I think I'm done. I'm gonna take the tape off. Oh. Ooh, that's something. Man, I didn't even think about it, like, it got my eyelashes. That would have hurt so bad. Okay. My skin is so sensitive, so that made my skin pretty red, but hopefully that goes away. She does some crazy stuff, so I think we're just gonna go all out and do it all. So she even fills in eyebrows almost down into a point. And I don't know if I should have gotten a brown pencil, but I didn't. I got a black one just for like the eyeliner parts. So I have filled in like my eyebrows. Just, let's do this. We got a tiny little guy brush, brown eyeshadow, and we're just gonna darken those eyebrows like a lot. And see what happens. Like I said, she makes like it point down here, so that's what I'm doing there. She's got quite the tail too, so I might draw that out a little bit longer than my natural end to my eyebrows. Okay, we're gonna call that good. Let's go in with the eyeliner. So you guys have to tell me what you're doing for Halloween in the comments down below, because I'm super interested to see what everybody else is doing. All right, now we're gonna smudge that down underneath the eyes a little bit. We're gonna do up above, like on the lash line. Then we're gonna take this small brush again and use the black eyeshadow. And we're gonna take this brush and try and blend it a little bit. Just a bit. That looks so much better. That looked so chunky, and then like this side's blended and that side's unblended. In hindsight, I probably should have done this, especially the top part, while the tape was still on. Go in with a little bit of this darker gray. Add a little bit of that more like here. Blend a little bit more underneath. Just really get that smoky. I keep poking my eyeball. I need like eye drops. All right, that's the dark makeup there. I think what I'm gonna do now is add a little bit of bronzer, but I'll use it kind of more like a contour. Okay, and a little bit of blush. Also going in an upward motion. I meant to get like a whitish tint to put on the face so it looks more ghostly in a sense, but I totally forgot. I think that concludes like the eye makeup. Oh no, I didn't do lashes. Okay. I think we should go crazy. So I've got these that actually came with one of the wigs I got. So let's try it. I think I can make the length work, so let's just try it. I don't know how much glue to use. I've seen so many people do this. I've just never, oh boy. Okay. Okay, I know you get it tacky. So what everybody does, they just fly it around in the air for a couple seconds or something. All right, here goes nothing. Did it dry or maybe not enough? Maybe not enough glue. Hold on. Take 2. Hopefully I'm not allergic to this kind of glue or anything. This get ready with me video is gonna be so long. I haven't even put the wig on. But like I said, the whole makeup part was gonna be definitely like the longest process of the whole thing, so. I think we're getting pretty close. You know, I put the lashes on, put the lips on, and then the wig, and then you guys get to see the whole look put together. I'm excited. All right, I'm gonna go for this again. It feels weird. Definitely not applied perfectly, but it's on, and that's what counts. All right, that's something. Definitely a terrible application, but I tried my best. This is literally the first time I've done false lashes. This one's definitely glued onto my own lashes, which I know is not what's supposed to happen. And this one is like kind of too close to the inner corner. So they feel like really weird, but from far away, who can tell? It's just for Halloween anyway. So, I guess we gotta do the wig and lipstick. So let's do lipstick. Where did that go? I did not get lip liner because I didn't think about it. So we're just gonna go for it. All right, I'll be back with the wig and the whole outfit for you guys to see. Hope you enjoyed this makeup part though. This was quite something for me to do, so. I'll be back with the wig. Alright guys, that concludes my Get Ready With Me Halloween edition for Cruella de Vil. I decided to go with the red to match the lipstick and give a little bit more pop of color to her outfit. So I hope you guys enjoyed this one. Be sure to give this video a like and then comment down below telling me what you are dressing up as for Halloween. And then don't forget to subscribe to my channel because that really helps me out in the algorithm and everything. But don't forget to hit that notification bell because that tells you when my next video comes out. And I post weekly on Thursdays. So I'll see you guys next time. Bye!